Hello everyone, this is Indrajit Ganguly and today I am going to discuss the second topic of the second chapter of history, development of writing. In my last class, I discussed you about the Mesopotamian civilization and you were aware of the geographical location of the Mesopotamian civilization, the economic activities of the people and the nature of the urban society. Today, I will discuss you about a very interesting topic of this civilization, that is the development of writing. Remember, the development of writing helped us to understand more about the Mesopotamian civilization rather than, compared to other civilization existed in that time. Okay, as you see, the first Mesopotamian tablets were written around 3200 BCE. Now what is tablet? I will discuss you later. So first Mesopotamian tablets were written around 3200 BCE and it contained pictures like signs and numbers instead of alphabets. If you see in the NCERT books that picture, page number 33, this is the sign language, this is the pictures that were used in the Mesopotamian tablets. They did not use any alphabets like A, B, C, D, but they used these sign languages. It is very important and it is very unique at that time. Okay, they usually wrote on clay tablets. Obviously, they did not use any paper or they did not use any leaf to write in tablets, but they used on clay tablets. This is the design of the clay tablets. You can see in the picture page number 34. This is the picture of the clay tablets. This is the design of the tablets. They usually wrote in the tablets, and these tablets were made by the mud and they had to write before it dried. Okay. Generally, the tablets contained various things. Usually contained trading transactions, announcement of kings, legal documents, dictionaries, etc. In these ways, for these purposes, generally they used the tablets. If we consider about the language of these tablets, basically earlier Sumerian was the language of these tablets and later on it was replaced by the Akkadian language. Remember, it is also important for the short question and it is also important, the uses of the tablet is also important for 1 mark question. So please be careful about it. What are the uses of these tablets and what type of language was used and later which language replaced the earlier language. Okay. Next, that is the system of writing. Generally, Mesopotamian used cuneiform sign languages. You can see same in the page number 33. This is called cuneiform sign languages. The words just like a nails. It is called cuneiform sign language. Okay. It is also important for short question. Remember, no consonant or vowel were used, but they used syllables. Example, say put, or la, or in. These types of syllables generally used by the Mesopotamian people. So, writer must learn 100 syllables and he had to write on the clay tablets before it dried. So, you can understand that what type of laborious work was generally did by the Mesopotamian writers to write on the clay tablets. Next, literacy rate. Generally, literacy rate are very poor in the Mesopotamian civilization. Why so? Generally, suppose think that when we are in childhood, basically our parents gave us to read Shoroborno and Banjan Borno, like Owa, Hashoi, Dirgoi and Kokho, right? And later on we used to learn ABCD. So just we say that at our childhood, at our brain, these are enough for us and that's why we generally become literate, right? But just think about just imagine if we have to write 5,000 pictures and we have to remember 5,000 syllables, then it was not possible for us to to understand these things. So obviously, a very few Mesopotamians, they were able to read and write. So there were a vast level of illiteracy in the Mesopotamian civilization. Next, the uses of writing. Basically, the uses of writing was exactly, it was used for connection between city life, trade and writing is brought out in a long Sumerian epic poem about Enmarker. In the NCERT, there is a story was there about these writing, the uses of writing. The story is about that there was a very important ruler of Uruk. I told you about the city Uruk, which was an important city of the Mesopotamian civilization. Enmarker was the ruler of Uruk, and he wanted some precious metals and stones from the distant land called Arata. And he sent his messenger to just bring these precious stones called lapis lazuli or white marble from this distant land. And the messenger, he used to visit long distance way and he used to cross mountains, rivers and forest. And when he reached Arata, he forgot everything. So when he returned, Enmarker gave him some of the list of the metals that was required from the Arata. When the chief of Arata, he saw that messages which was written in the clay tablet, and he was totally surprised. And in this way, generally the writing was developed. Maybe this may not be a true story, right? This is a epic poem, but generally the development of writing, it's very crucial to know about the Mesopotamian civilization. In my last class, I told you that generally Indus Valley civilization, which was developed in the Indian subcontinent, that was contemporary to the Mesopotamian civilization, but we will get to know a very few things about the Indus Valley civilization because we could not found lots of inscriptions about the Indus Valley civilization. So our knowledge is very limited. Historians are still trying, epigraphists, they are still trying, archaeologists, they are still trying about these inscription sources, but their work is not completed. But these Mesopotamian writings are help us to know about the Mesopotamian civilization very much. Okay, this is it for today. In my next class, I will discuss you about the three important urban centers of the Mesopotamian civilization, that is Uruk, Ur and Mare. Thank you and have a nice day.